Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to discuss that how can you solve a Chrome blank screen issue in your Windows PC. So there have been many reports of users experiencing a blank screen on Chrome while browsing, and that gets very annoying. So in case you are also facing this issue, then this video is for you. So what you need to do is, in your Chrome browser you need to click on these three dots and go to the settings. So a simple setting fix can help you deal with this issue. In the search bar, just type hardware, and that should bring up this option that says use hardware acceleration when available. Now this is enabled right now, so what you need to do is you need to make sure that this option is disabled in your Chrome. So just click over here to disable it, and then it asks you to relaunch Chrome. So just relaunch your Chrome, and that should fix the blank screen issue. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.